Is that audible now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, fine, ठीक है. अच्छा बेटा, now we will start with the work, that is pandas. Okay, I hope all are present and everybody has typed present. Manvinder was absent yesterday. Today he is present. है ना Manvinder, how are you? 2 3
हो गया क्या?
क्या हो गया?
नहीं,
That's
कुछ
it.
नहीं.
हाँ
मैम.
therefore better is to speak in English. चलो ठीक है. See, you all are having your book with you or not having book?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So open page number 5. We will start with how to create the data. No, how to create the series using data.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the very first thing is again import pandas. Okay, I'll be making a new file so that in that only I'll be making changes. Import pandas as PD. This is the first thing. Then what I have to do, I am going to make the variable first. For example, obj as object, which is equal to pd dot series. This is what we have discussed yesterday also. And yesterday what we have done, we have simply created the series. This was how to create the blank series. So if I will print the value of obj, okay, simply save, try, and then Acha, let me know that output screen is also visible to you or no? Visible, no?
Yes,
Output
ma'am.
screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, when I have printed over here, what came? You see, again, this was blank series. And yesterday also we have discussed that in the values are blank over here. This is the default data type, that is float 64. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now suppose I wanted to insert some values. So I'm making this as a comment. And we have to understand that this is how to create a blank series, or we can say empty series. Now what I will do, I will be writing some informations in this. So basically how to write the information in this, we have to pass the values over here. Now the next thing is how to pass the values. You can use any sequence. Any sequence means basically we are in the form of list, we are passing the values. Now how we are writing list? How we are writing list?
In square brackets.
Okay, in square brackets. So in square bracket. Now suppose I am writing 99, 88, 77 and 66 in square bracket, and square bracket is closed. Now this is my list. So this time what we have to check that how it is going to work. Okay. So you can see the output. Sorry, 99, 88, 77, 66. And this time what is the difference between this series and this series?
Data type.
Data type. See, now it means what happened that automatically Python has taken this data type of this as integer 64. Okay, 64 bits, integer 64. And this is what the 0, 1, 2, 3 is called as. Yesterday we have discussed.
Series.
No, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah?
Index.
Index. Very good. This is the index part, and this one is 99, 88, 77, 66 is your
Data.
data part. No, data part. See, what you have to understand, this 0, 1, 2, 3 is your index, 99, 88, 77, 66 is your data, and data type
Data.
for this complete series is your int64.
Integer.
Okay. Now what we will be doing, this is series with list of integers. Now what we can do is, suppose I wanted to create the series of with characters. Same I am copying. Suppose same I am copying. This is my comment. Series with characters. How to write characters? How we are writing characters? Yeah, how we are writing characters?
In inverted comma.
In inverted commas, suppose I wanted to write world. So it will be in inverted commas, W, O, like this only. R, L. Remember, this is very important question for your, not question, basically chapter for your board exam. Because in Python, you are having this complete library, pandas library. So series with list of, instead of integers, I will be writing here characters. Okay, now if I will run this, invalid syntax, why invalid? So that I have removed. Now here you can see. See, WORLD, here it is treating this as a object. But what we have done, we are writing the characters over here. And see, the default index is again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now suppose my next thing is I wanted to, instead of writing each and every character individually, suppose I wanted to write the strings. Okay, if I wanted to write string, first I will write one string, then I will be writing multiple strings. How to write string? Like this only. List of characters or list of string. Okay, if I wanted to write a string, I'm going to write string like this. Okay, once this is written, then what I have to do? Achha, one more important thing. For the strings, it is not compulsory to write it in the square bracket. We can write like this also, because it is a single value, no? So we can write like this and then we will run this. You can see over here at the bottom it is given. Just 1 second. Okay, this was the list program. And now if I will run this, you can see the output. What you have to see over here is that the world is written and the complete information is written with one unique 0 index ID. Okay. Now suppose if I wanted to write multiple words, then how I'm going to write that? Suppose I wanted to write hello world. So how I'm going to write?
Hello, comma, world.
Hello
comma
world.
world. नहीं, अब hello also in one
In
quote
inverted comma.
and world also in
Comma.
inverted
Then
comma. Acha, now the next thing is, now this is not a single value. This is, now these are multiple values. So if you have multiple values, you have to write it in the form of list only, or in the square bracket, you have to pass this. Okay, so like this, we will be writing this and then we are going to execute this. So you can see the difference now. See, hello is assigned with a 0 index number and world is assigned with a 1 index number. So for single word only, without any, acha, that I have already erased, sorry. I'm writing that again. Okay, so when I have written world, I have written something like this without any square bracket, because it was a single collection. And for multiple collections, again, we have to write it in the square bracket. Any doubt up to here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then next thing is, this is, I'm saving and I'm making new file. Now what I will be doing next is with the help of arrays. We have done no NumPy array. Now with the help of array, we are going to make the collection. So first thing is we have to import both the files this time. Import pandas as PD. And second is, which is the another file for
NumPy
creating array? NumPy?
import NumPy as NP.
array
Okay.
as NP.
नहीं, as NP. Array तो is a function. ठीक है? Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to create a collection first of all. Now there are so many functions for creating the collections. The very first function was arrange, if you know. Remember or forgot?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो ठीक है. I am making one collection. S is equal to numpy है तो np dot arrange is the name of the function. How we have to give the values in this arrange function?
Square
Suppose
brackets.
नहीं, function है बेटा. Function में we never write square bracket ना.
हाँ.
Function में तो हमेशा the circular bracket will be there.
Start, stop, step.
Start, stop, step. Very good. अच्छा, if I have given starting value, this is my stop value, and I am not giving the step value. So what will be the answer? First we will check this only. What will be the answer? Any idea?
1 to 9. 1 to 9.
1 to 9.
1 to 9.
1 to 9.
1 to 9 only. I am overwriting my programs, right? So see, what you have to understand over here is that 1 to 9, because we know that the first value is included and last value is excluded. So this value will be not considered. So this is what the function of arrange. Achha, now if I am giving here 2, what this 2 stands for?
Steps. Steps.
So now what will be the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what
One,
will be the answer?
1 3 5 1 3 5 7
3,
9
5, 7, 9.
9. 9 के बाद में 11?
नहीं
No,
आएगा.
ma'am.
नहीं आएगा, ठीक है ना? It will not come. So okay, so what you have to understand that we have given start, stop and step. So it will start with 1 only, but the step is of 2. So it will give you the increment of 2 every time. So 1, then 3, then 5, then 7 and then 9. And last value is not included. So up to 9 only it will come, and 11 cannot come also. Okay, so this is how we are going to create the list or the collection. Okay, now the collection is created. Now this collection we can pass to the series. How to pass to the series? Suppose I am writing here obj as my object is equal to, previously we were using pd dot series, and inside the series we were writing the collection. Now what is my collection? S only, because it's
Yes,
in
ma'am.
S we are writing the means in the S we are getting in the form of list, no, that complete information. So you can write like this, or can I combine these two lines together? See how to combine these two lines together. Simply write this, or instead of S you write the code of S, yani this one. Clear hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is shortcut basically. Now it is your choice. If you feel this is complicated, you go for these two lines. Or if you feel that this is correct, then you can, if this is simple for you, then you can go for this line. So like you have to decide. हाँ
मैम पर आंसर तो दोनों का एक ही आएगा ना.
हाँ
Result
तुम्हारी मर्जी है.
सेम है.
हाँ ये शॉर्टकट है. We are writing in the single line. यहाँ पे we are doing the same thing in the two line. यहाँ पे what we have done, first we are storing in S, then S we are passing to the series, and here directly we are passing this series, this list to the series. बस ठीक है, और कोई difference नहीं है. So if I will run, I will show you both. ठीक है, if I am using this first one, so it अच्छा, and then I have to print the value of obj this time. ठीक है, the information of the list, and I'm printing in this manner that my series is, and then the value of my obj. Okay, now you can see over here. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
एक सेकेंड, little bit is not clear. Let me run this again. इसका इतना प्यारा माइक है. Okay, now you can see here my series is 0 1. Okay, let me change this. Why this was coming in the same line? How to change the line? Forgot. अच्छा, मानविंदर
Space
has
देके
given
नीचे
the
आ जाएगा.
answer. Space कैसे आएगा? नीचे कैसे लेके आए?
अच्छा नीचे.
नीचे लाना है ना? Because it was
बैकस्लैश करके कुछ एक करेक्टर आता है.
हाँ, वो कैरेक्टर बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. Which character? Backslash is correct. हाँ?
/n
नहीं, मानवेंद्र आर नहीं है. बैकस्लैश एन. वेरी गुड आशुतोष. It is backslash n. Now if I will run this, backslash n is for new line. ठीक है ना? So we are changing the line with the help of backslash n. So this is how it is working. 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 1 3 5 7 9 and integer 32. Why integer 32 this time? Why not 64?
Ma'am, because that was float and this isn't.
You int में just previously we have done, so it was coming integer 64. This time integer 32. Now actually what you have to understand that this arange function has given us the information in the form of integer 32. आया समझ में? Where is Lakshit today? Lakshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshit? हाँ ठीक है.
हाँ मैम.
You speak in between, huh? Otherwise I feel that you are somewhere else. Huh? So is it is clear? I was asking why in 32,
No, ma'am.
why not? Huh?
Not clear.
Ma'am, not clear. Chalo, good. We are printing the type of S. Maybe you will get clear with this. Okay. Alt F5 and then you can see over here. Is this is clear now? See, they have given you numpy.nd array as a type. इसका size हो जाएगा. How to find the size of S? एक सेकेंड ना. np dot d type. np dot type. I'll show you the function of this. Huh? So when you will use that function, with that you have to print the. It was given in your 11th class book how to get the functions of NumPy. Given or not given? Again, where are you all? Blank page दिख रहा है. What
याद
happened,
नहीं
Noel?
किसी को.
अरे ये can you see the page or no? Noel is writing blank page दिख रहा है. Can you see
नहीं
the
दिख
coding
रहा.
part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Coding आ रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा. Noel, you check properly again. नहीं मिल रहा तो बताओ. Noel. चलो ठीक है. इसका फंक्शन तो आई विल सी, आई विल सर्च एंड आई विल शो यू. जैसे इसमें क्या होता है ना, सपोज यू इफ यू विल टाइप द टाइप ऑफ एस, इसका जो डेटा टाइप जो आता है ना, डी टाइप, इसका एट्रीब्यूट होता है आई थिंक एस डॉट. लेट मी चेक वन मोर टाइम. एस डॉट या तो डी टाइप होगा. लेट मी चेक दिस. डी टाइप
डी टाइप है.
Check
बुक
कर
में
लो.
लिखा है.
बुक में लिखा है. देखते हैं. चलो आ गया. ठीक है. यू कैन सी ओवर हेयर द टाइप इंटीजर 32 का साइज टाइप है उसका. Therefore this time the type is changed. Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
एक second. See, again I'm repeating. See, what you have to understand over here is कि this arange function is giving us the information in the form of integer 32. ये जो values के जो answer आए ना वो integer 32 में है. कैसे है? We have checked this. S का D type हमने print कर दिया. D type stands for data type. Okay, Noel. ठीक है? D type means we wanted to see its data type. तो हमने उसका क्या करा? S वाले का. S वाला means this collection का data type we have seen and it is integer 32. इसीलिए इस बार series का जो type था it came as integer 32. Clear है? Now what I said, you can type like this or this is the shortcut. It is your choice which one you want. Suppose these three I am not using now. Okay, instead of this, now I wanted to run this. I will get the same answer or different answer? What do you say?
Same.
Same.
Same
Okay.
answer.
Fine, same answer I will be getting because this is nothing but the shortcut. In one line only, I am using both the lines. So I will be getting the same answer. You can see this one and this one. Both are same. Okay. So if the teacher is asking, you can say that both of them will work in a same manner. Okay, then next was we were having linspace function. Linspace, you remembered? Instead of arange, we were having linspace also.
Yes,
Or
ma'am,
forward.
to calculate the length.
To calculate the length. नहीं, linspace.
मतलब मैम
LINSPAC. हाँ. क्या करता है वो?
Space.
मैम जितने भी इंटीजर्स होंगे उनको काउंट कर देगा. मतलब जैसे 1 2 3 4 इंटीजर है तो 4 आंसर आ जाएगा ऐसे. मतलब
वो लेंथ होता है.
वो लेंथ
वो
होता है.
लेंथ होता है. लेंथ स्पेस इज अ डिफरेंट.
चलो ठीक है. We are using this. We will see the output and then you have to tell me. ठीक है, आउटपुट देख के बता दो क्या होता है. ये लो, ये आ गया आंसर.
Specify करता number को.
हाँ,
Specify numbers of element.
स्पेसिफाई नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. कितने एलिमेंट्स दिखाने हैं ये? हमने क्या
हाँ.
बताया? 1 से लेके 10 के बीच में टोटल 2 एलिमेंट्स दिखाने हैं, है ना? 1 से 10 के बीच में सपोज वी वांटेड टू सी 3 एलिमेंट्स. ठीक है,
3 elements आ जाएंगे 1 से 10 के बीच में.
3 एलिमेंट्स आ जाएंगे 1 से 10 के बीच में. यू कैन सी 1, दूसरा 5.5 एंड तीसरा 10. Okay, so this is how your linspace is working. Actually, this is called as number of intervals here. यहाँ पे step नहीं होगा, ये number of intervals है. यानी 1 से 10 के बीच में total 3 intervals देने थे हमारे को. So this is how we can define over here. Clear है? Suppose if I will write here 5 तो क्या होगा?
5 intervals हो जाएंगे.
5 intervals.
दो आउटपुट आएंगे.
नहीं, आउटपुट एक ही आएगा बेटा. इंटरवल्स 5 हो गए ना. देखो, फर्स्ट इज 1, देन 3.25, 5.50, 7.75 और 10. मतलब 1 से शुरू करा, 10 पे खत्म कर दिया एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स यू सी दैट 5 आर देयर. तो जैसे स्केल होती है ना, स्केल में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टिल एंड वी आर डिवाइडिंग इट इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. Similarly, this line space function is doing that only. If we have given the range and how many divisions or how many intervals we want.
Okay.
ठीक है. अच्छा, now again you can use this length space function like this also or you can use like this also. We will be using both the method. Now suppose I wanted to use like this, so I am uncommenting this part. अच्छा, now you let me know what change I have to do over here in these 3 code. क्या change
Line
होगा?
space करना है. Line space करना है.
लाइन स्पेस करना है. ए रेंज होगा, इट विल बी चेंज टू लाइन स्पेस. और लिन स्पेस बोलो बेटा. आई
हाँ, line space.
हाँ, नहीं तो क्या होगा ना, यू विल बी राइटिंग द सेम स्पेलिंग इन एग्जाम ऑल्सो. लिन स्पेस फंक्शन है, 1 से 10 तक 5 का गैप है. ठीक है, वी आर स्टोरिंग दिस कंप्लीट लिस्ट इन एस और एस में जो आया वो हम लोगों ने सीरीज में प्रिंट करा दिया. ठीक है, सो वी विल चेक दिस. So now you can see over here you are getting the same answer. Even type also you can see. इस बार float 64 ही आया हुआ है. ठीक है, The reason is because values or informations were there in the form of points. So float में आ गया value. Okay, and then again five intervals or 5 gaps were there. I hope this is clear up to linspace.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next is okay, then next is suppose I wanted to use a tile function. Tile you have used previously?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now suppose see right now what I was able to do, I was given the information in the form of a single value. Now if I wanted to give the values in the multiple values, so how I will be writing, I'm going to use the tile function first. For example, first we will see how this tile function will work. Np dot tile is my function. Then the values I have to pass in the form of the square brackets.
Square bracket.
Suppose जैसे I have given here 3, 5 and comma 2. So basically we have given 2 arguments. Okay. Okay, then I will run this. We have to see what the information will be stored in the S function. Print S. Any idea? I don't think that we have done in the 11th standard this. Done or
It will
not done?
come multiple times.
OBJ is not defined. One second, OBJ is not required also. Okay. What will come multiple times?
3535.
3, 5, 3, 5. Okay.
हाँ.
Suppose if I will write here 4, then
It will come 4 times.
Arey, see, sometimes I'm not able to see chat box. Huh? Better is to unmute your mic and then you speak, because see, I can control all of you, no problem. And I know you with your voice, no? So better is to unmute your mic and then to speak.
Yes.
ठीक है नहीं तो क्या हो रहा है कि later on I used to check कि हाँ ये लिखा था. Okay, now it will come how many times? 4 times?
4 times.
Okay, so what you have to understand, this is what called as your tile function. ठीक है, हमने उसकी replicas बना दिए, that many times it came. अच्छा, जैसे अभी इसमें 3, 5 है, we are checking few more things. 3, 5, 6, 1. This will also come that many times.
3, 5,
4
6, 1,
times.
4 times.
3, 5, 6, 1, 4 times. So basically we have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
understand that whether how it is working. So you can see over here 3, 5, 6, 1, then 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1. I hope now this is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tile function is clear. So now what you have to understand is this is how we will be getting the value in S. Acha, then D type chalo chodo. And then what we can do is we can simply pass this, we can create the list series of this. Now how to create the series of this? My obj is equal to S dot
Series.
sorry PD dot Kashish, don't write PD dot series, and in that series I have to pass S. Okay, and then this one I will be using. Now see, I am making the series with the help of tile function, and I hope you all will do practice. Huh? Everybody has installed pandas yesterday.
Yes.
Now you see, this is what you have to understand. Okay, index number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Total 16 values were there. 4, 4 set 4, 4 values. है ना? Total 16 values were there. So all those 16 values from 0 till 15, and now you can see 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And if I wanted to write it in the single line, so that also I can write. Simply what I have to do? Instead of S, I can pass this to this. So therefore never say कि ये नहीं करा था या ये नहीं कराया था, है ना? Always you should know both the things, कि how to do it individually and how to do it in a nested manner. This is called nesting of a function. मतलब one function inside that another function. So this type of statement is called as nesting of function. You will get the same answer in this also. See, again, my series is, and then my complete series we are passing. Any doubt up to here?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. Chalo, ठीक है. Now what you have to do today, you do practice of these all things. Okay. And if you are having any doubt, then you can WhatsApp me, or then you can message me. Okay. So
Okay,
better
ma'am.
is to do practice and see better in your book also, page number 5, 6, 7. These three you have to practice up to example number of 7. Until, and you see, whenever you are doing practice, no, try to give random values. Okay, okay, if I will give this, then what type of answer will come? If I will give this, then what type of answer will come? Something like that. Clear, eh? Okay, so should I wind up? Acha, Mahima Jawar is present. Very late. Mahima, what happened? My mic is not working. That is why I don't know. Pawan, you call me later on, so that I will be checking your mic, that why it is not working. No, I will give you some instruction. With that, you like we will try to solve out this problem. Okay, that.